Welcome to Hypercar Global, the channel where we take a look at electric vehicles, Tesla and of course Elon Musk. Today we take a look at Cybertruck reservations, the release of the Cybertruck and how the F-150 and Hummer E are beaten by the Cybertruck. Check out the new membership section I have added with awesome benefits. Click the join button next to subscribe to find out more. Without any hesitation, let's get into the video. Tesla has over 1 million Cybertruck reservations. A crowdsourced reservation tracker shows that Tesla has a wait list of over 1 million Cybertruck orders, Drive Tesla Canada has reported. Wow! The article noted that reservations for the Cybertruck were being placed every 2 seconds during the weeks after its launch. Although it has slowed down, Tesla's waitlist of over 1 million Cybertruck reservations reveals just how deep the demand for the well-engineered vehicle truly is. I'm in that number, by the way. The reservation tracker also keeps track of Cybertruck reservations by trim options, and when added all up, if the reservations turned into orders, Tesla would have more than $63 billion in revenue coming its way over the next few years. Yes, you read that right, that's billion with a B. It should be noted that these numbers can change, and Drive Tesla Canada pointed out that they are probably overinflated due to people placing multiple reservations. Many could be cancelled once production and deliveries begin. There's one person in Florida with 300 Cybertrucks in his account. Unless he owns a business that involves operating a fleet of vehicles, he could very well be such a business owner. It stands to reason that he may cancel some of those orders. The article assumed a cancellation rate of 50% and noted that if that many people were to cancel their orders, Tesla would still have 500,000 orders for the Cybertruck, which is over $30 billion in revenue. Tesla is reiterating the Cybertruck's late 2021 initial delivery guidance. It appears that Tesla is really looking to start the production of the Cybertruck later this year. In a message reaching out to Cybertruck reservation holders, the EV maker reiterated its late 2021 initial delivery target, suggesting that the all-electric pickup may reach the hands of its customers sooner than expected. Tesla's message to its Cybertruck reservation holders were initially shared on Twitter. The message was quite brief, though it mentioned something interesting in the way that it mentioned the upcoming production of the all-electric pickup. Following is Tesla's message. It also invited reservation holders to test drive a Model 3 or Model Y. Hello from Tesla. Congratulations on taking the first step to becoming a Tesla owner. The Cybertruck will start production in late 2021 and will be an exciting time for everyone. We have exciting news. We opened a new location in Fort Myers. Since the Cybertruck has yet to be released, we would like to extend an invitation to test drive a model that is currently available. We have the Model 3 and Y available for test driving, the message read. Based on comments from Cybertruck reservation holders online, it appears that the message has only been sent to some customers. In a Twitter thread about the message posted by @PeytonScafer, for example, a number of Cybertruck reservation holders confirmed that they received the same message, but others noted that they did not receive any communication about the all-electric pickup truck. Tesla's message about the Cybertruck's initial production remains interesting, however, especially in light of Elon Musk's recent comments about the Model Y that would be produced in Gigafactory Texas. According to Musk, the Model Y from Texas would launch with Tesla's custom 4,680 cells, the same batteries that are expected to be used for the Cybertruck. If Tesla could start Model Y production in Giga Texas with 4,680 cells outright, then the company may be able to produce some Cybertrucks by the end of the year as well. The Tesla Cybertruck is quite controversial and polarizing due to its looks, which Elon Musk describes as a cyberpunk, futuristic armored personnel carrier. The vehicle shocked the automotive industry when it was unveiled, and it has practically reached cult status since. Despite its unique appearance, Elon Musk has mentioned in the past that the Cybertruck is shaping up to be one of Tesla's most popular vehicles. I have never seen actually such a level of demand at this, we've never seen anything like it. I think we will make about as many as we can sell for many years. So, as many, we'll sell as many as we can make. It's going to be pretty nuts, Musk said during a previous earnings call. Tesla Cybertruck beats F-150 Lightning and Hummer EV in US electric truck survey. The Ford F-150 Lightning might be an extension of America's best-selling workhorse, and the GMC Hummer EV might be the electric iteration of a gas-guzzling monster, but it appears that the US electric pickup market is already looking towards its upcoming favorite. As per the results of a survey among US car buyers, it is the Tesla Cybertruck that stands to be the country's most popular all-electric pickup truck. The survey, which was aimed at determining consumers' sentiment on electric cars, was conducted by automotive research and shopping website Car Gurus. The survey was conducted online, and it involved respondents that were balanced in terms of key demographics in alignment with the US Census. The results of the study were published in March 2021. The respondents of the study were asked a variety of questions, one of which inquired if they were considering several electric trucks. The Cybertruck proved to be the most popular electric truck among the survey's respondents, with 31% noting that they would consider the angular, brutalist steel truck. In comparison, 28% said that they would consider the Ford F-150 Lightning and 16% stated that they would consider the GMC Hummer EV. Interestingly enough, the Cybertruck proved even more popular among respondents who were most likely to adopt electric vehicles. Among those who plan to own an EV within the decade, 40% stated that they were interested in the Tesla Cybertruck. This was quite impressive considering that 32% were interested in the Ford F-150 Lightning and only 17% noted that they were interested in the Hummer EV. The Tesla Cybertruck may be controversial due to its appearance and the fact that it is made by a company that has never produced a pickup truck in the past, but its potential is vast. Since its debut in late 2019, the Cybertruck has become an icon of sorts, with the vehicle proving very popular online. This was hinted at by Elon Musk in the past, when he noted that the demand for the Cybertruck has been very encouraging so far. I have never seen actually such a level of demand at this, we've never seen anything like it. I think we will make about as many as we can sell for many years. So, as many, we'll sell as many as we can make. It's going to be pretty nuts. So, and I think actually, the product is better than people realize, even if they don't have enough information to realize just the awesomeness of it. It's just great, Musk said in Tesla's Q4 2019 earnings call. Do you think that Tesla will have Cybertrucks on highways by the end of 2021? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the channel as a member to get exclusive access to unseen features. Pressing the bell icon will turn on notifications to alert you to when I upload, so you never miss a video or Tesla news.